Imagine feeling your knee crack with every second step. Bone-on-bone pain. Bone-on-bone knee pain wrecked my 50s, and all they offered were 1,000 surgeries. But this $2 solution for knee pain keeps selling out. There is a way to avoid knee surgery. From day one, you'll feel it. And, after just 22 days of using Ease Patch, your knee pain could nearly disappear. Do this immediately. Perfect for osteoarthritis, jumper's knee, bursitis, tendonitis, and everyday knee pain relief. Ease Patch is simple, effective, and can be used anytime, anywhere. No need for painful, expensive treatments. My pain started to fade. These patches don't just mask the pain, they target the root cause. Within days, my pain eased up. Not just in my knee, but also in my neck, shoulder, even my back. And right now, they're available at a massive 73% discount. But it's only for the next 24 hours. This 73% off flash sale won't last. Grab your Ease Patch while you can.